What is printing, people? Welcome back to Custom 3D. Today I have another interesting video. I'm at a disc golf course and I have a 3D printed disc. And today I'm with Eric Schultheis.
How you doing?
Of Sweeney Real Estate, and these two guys.
I'm Jeremy Von Flater from Province Mortgage. Steve Hawes from Province Mortgage.
So all of my 365 subscribers now know that. But I'm gonna be playing a full round, and Eric is the best one out of all of us. And we're gonna see how he does with the 3D printed one. And I'm gonna use a regular one on, we'll just play and see how much better he can do than us, even with a 3D printed one. So thanks guys, stay tuned, this is gonna be a fun video.
More or less.
Ooh, nice!
See how this goes. Yeah, it's filming. Yeah. So the 3D printed one went pretty far. It's right there. And then my tee shot went right here, which is not too far from that one. I'm not sure where Eric's regular one went. I think the 3D printed one actually ended up better. Then you got Javon way back there. Oh, comes another one. Oh, he's over there.
But basically, you just want to keep everything in a straight, flat motion. Like it's a very hard flat foot.
Ah.
Not bad, not bad. Let's tap in.
I don't have a putter. That's alright.
That actually works decently as a putter. There's 3 par 4s on this course. This is one of the easier holes. Short.
So what'd you guys walk away with on that hole?
One over.
Eric got a birdie on that hole with the regular one. With the 3D printed one, right? No. Oh, you missed it. Oh, okay. So you walked away with what? Plus one?
Plus one, yeah.
Plus one. That's
First time.
That's not bad, yeah.
The only thing I'm worried about
Yeah. Don't.
I think it's gonna
Well,
take a little.
if you break it, I'll just print another one. So it's only gonna take 20 hours. I just want to say my first time on this particular hole, this par 3 right here, I hit this tree right here. This is where I'm standing, is a tee box, and that's the tree that I hit. So if you guys don't hit that, I'd say that's pretty good.
I like theirs. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh,
Summer Steve.
that kick.
Did it do it? Did it? I thought it was
Alright. This is gonna be funny.
Oh, it's not that bad. All right, let's see how I do.
Dude, that was a rip.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Nice.
So
yeah, it's got a little ding.
Durability, where is it? Oh yeah, that's not bad for a $20 roll of TPU. Oh no! Oh!
As long as you keep a foot where you're...
All right, so checking in after the second hole. Steve, what'd you get on that hole?
Double bogey.
It's pretty good. I don't even know. I think I got a 4. Javon, what'd you get?
A double kill.
Double?
Double too.
Double. Does that mean I have honors on next hole?
I think so.
So actually this drive went super far with the 3D printed disc. How far do you think that went?
Probably a good 250.
That's pretty
Had a
good.
nice little turn on.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful
And
flight.
it weighs like 20 grams lighter than a regular one, so that's pretty good. All right, guys, so we're actually just gonna play 2 holes just so that it'll make it easier on us when we're playing. But Eric, what are your final thoughts on the 3D printed disc?
Flies great. It's a bit understable because it's a lot lighter than a normal disc, but it's good for getting a big S curve, just kind of on a light, medium power shot. So overall, not too convinced about the durability, but
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
Cool. Well, I appreciate you trying it out.
Sure.
3D printed disc.
There's no way this one will handle it. I guarantee it.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! So guys, thanks for watching this awesome video. If you have any other suggestions of what I should 3D print, then go out and test. I'd love to hear it in the comments below. This was an awesome video. Really funny that Eric threw it in the water. I figured I'd film it just to see what would happen, and that happened, which is absolutely hilarious. So I really appreciate you guys. I know I said only my 365 subscribers on YouTube, but I really love every single one of you guys who decided to hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me and helps me get motivated to put out more videos and help build my business even more. So thanks guys, make sure to check out all the links in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next one.